Welcome to Lesson Planned Kitchen. Today we're making my grandma's vegetable stew. After the recent loss of my oldest cat, I wasn't quite sure what I'd be up for cooking, and luckily I found this recipe from my family books. This recipe is done in one pot, so start with 6 cups of water, and to that add a package of plant-based Beyond steak tips, then 1 tablespoon of vegetable stock, followed by a half red onion that's been diced. Stir and let it come to a boil. Then add 2 cans of diced tomatoes, followed by a can of vegetable soup. My grandma originally used sugar. I've substituted in 2 tablespoons of stevia instead. Give it a stir to mix, and then put in 2 cups of your choice of frozen vegetables. Finally, add in 1 cup of chickpea macaroni for some extra protein and let it simmer until the macaroni is cooked, about 10 minutes. Occasionally stir to prevent the macaroni from sticking to the bottom, and you're ready to serve it. This recipe makes about 8 servings. I don't know, there's just something about the heartiness, the savory, the salt, brought a lot of comfort to me last week. It also helps that it's just a really pretty stew. On the nutrition side of things, it's pretty healthy, just a little over 200 calories with 15 grams of protein and not a lot of fat or sugar. Now that you've seen what to do, here are the ingredients to make your own. I hope this recipe is a hit at your next function or the next time you need some comfort. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with friends and family who'd be interested. More recipes on lessonplannedkitchen.com and here on YouTube.